Ayaw namin magluto ng kanin ngayon, so we're having Persian chicken pesto, which we really like when we go to Robinson's Pioneer. Ano ang pangalan nun? Persian Avenue? Yes. So, I'll be creating our very own, the Mendiola balls, chicken pesto. Okay? These are the ingredients. This one, we bought it in the grocery. Cheese. Tomato, onion is, of course, optional, and the shredded lechugas or lettuce. And this chicken pesto, please visit my blog at www.occasion for joy. For this recipe, I've already made about this, pero walang chicken. Lalagyan nyo lang naman ng chicken. It's so easy to do that. So, I'll start with, syempre, ang dali lang mo, you just get this one. And my first customer, Rafael, with a very floral, cute hairband. Okay.
Hi.
Gawin natin si Dalia.
Oh God.
Eat.
It's so good.
So good. Sarap? Sarap?